Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0x80070091 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to erase the folder using command prompt. But before we proceed with it, let us know what the error exactly is. So whenever you try to delete a folder, let's say that if you try to delete this folder, then it doesn't delete it. So in this case, here's what you can do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Delete any contents in the run folder. Then pull this folder to the run window. You'll get its path. Okay, copy this path. Now you have to type rmdir space /s space and then in quotes this folder path. It's very easy. rmdir space /s space in quotes the folder path and then copy it. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. In the elevated command prompt window, paste this path here and hit enter. It will ask yes or no, press yes and then hit enter. And it's gone. Let's see. Yes, Lightroom folder is gone. And this will almost effectively work in all these cases. But if you want a permanent solution to this problem, because this was merely a workaround, if you want a permanent solution, search for task manager and then wait for it to load. And you'll find the Windows Explorer process here. Right click on it and select restart. It will need a few minutes to fix the system after that. Next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a checkdisk scan. And in the same elevated command prompt window, okay, I'll open a new one to show it better. Okay, type chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter, and then press Y and then hit enter again, and it will invoke the checkdisk scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.